feet, especially for bridals and girls after marriage. Foot look more beautiful with mehndi designs, and if designs are beautiful and simple and are light mehndi designs, not heavy, because with heavy designs on foot will not look good. They look